Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Venerable Chief Guest, respected teachers and my dear friends, good evening. My name is Ghaus Khan. I am living in Hyderabad and I am a student of Al-Rahman Institute. Now I am going to talk about schizophrenia and the view of our society on this disorder. I would like to start. Every now and then we comes up with schizophrenia patient in our daily life. What is schizophrenia? Schizophrenia is a mental serious disorder which affects persons feeling, behave improperly. It was introduced in early 20th century in 1908 by famous Swiss scholar named Eugen Bleuler in Berlin. At that time, the rate of cases was 0.3 to 0.7%, but after some years, it risen. In 2013, it was recorded that there are 1.1 million cases were recorded, and recently in 2019 there were more than 20 million cases were recorded. And the speciality of these cases were males were more often affected by this disorder. What is the reason? I will talk about in causes. But first I would like to talk about symptoms. What are the symptoms of this disorder and how it affects and what we think about it? First I would like to talk about hallucination. What is hallucination? See something that is not actually there, but the patients can see this. Patients can see this. How it is possible? And they can hear the voices that are not actually there, but they are hearing. And there are some delusions, like they have negative mind. They set their mind that everybody wanted to harm them, everybody wanted to torture them. वो ऐसा समझते हैं कि सब लोग उनको टॉर्चर करना चाहते हैं, पर ऐसा नहीं है. The reality is they are thinking, they are setting their mind like this, and they also wanted to harm them just because they fear of people. They are fearing of people. So these are the thinking that they are thought. Who affected by this? Who affected by this disorder? So let me tell you what is happening actually. We all know our mind control our all body parts, but our body parts cannot control our mind. Our minds, alhamdulillah, are working normally. This is why we are thinking, I am speaking, and you can listen, and you are giving your expressions. But if it doesn't work properly, they will never give this normal expressions. In that case, let me tell you what happens. Suppose I am standing here and giving a speech on the stage. So my mind, everybody know my mind is normal, and it send the message to heart that to fear, just because I am standing at stage, which is called also stage fear. So it means mind is working properly. Mind is working properly at the same time properly. But if it will never properly, everything will be happen on the wrong time. On the wrong time. This is why, let me tell you, if someone is talking with themselves, it is also a kind of hallucination. So what we thought? We thought he is talking with some spirits, but it is not like that. Let's see how they can see images. All of us know that our mind has different kind of images recorded, different kind of audios recorded, different kind of images recorded, different kind of smells recorded in our mind. And if we are smelling something, I am talking about us, we are normal. If we are smelling something, then our mind gives order to our nose. So and so this is smell is. And if we are watching something, if we are watching a video, then our mind will give order that you are watching something and it is good or bad. So our mind gives the order. Likewise, our mind gives the order to our ears to hear those voices. Then it means every part of the body is waiting for the order of our mind. Until then it will never work. जब तक आपका माइंड ऑर्डर नहीं दिया आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स को, वो करेक्टली काम नहीं कर सकते. सो व्हाट हैपनिंग ड्यूरिंग स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया पेशेंट? सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिसऑर्डर, इस बीमारी की वजह से उनके दिमाग में सब पूरा मिक्स हो जा रहा, सही काम नहीं कर रहा, एवरीथिंग जस्ट मिक्सड अप. सो आवर माइंड गिव्स द ऑर्डर टू आवर आइज. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पेशेंट्स who are affected by it. Our mind is giving them images to their eyes, so they are able to see, but nobody can see except them. It means their minds are giving the images. This is why they can see. This is an example of hallucination. And there is another example of hallucination, hearing voices. How can they hear voices? There are so many audios recorded in our mind. So our mind sending the voices to our ears, so it is possible to them only. This is why we cannot see, but they can. This is all happening. So हम क्या सोचते हैं, या तो उन्हें आत्माओं से बातें कर रहा या आत्माएं उसके आंख पे आगे सोचते हम. So this is not like that. Either they are mad, हम क्या सोचते हैं, either they are mad or they are talking with themselves. We don't wanted to accept the reality. We have to find out. We have to try to find out. We just wanted to make their jokes. This is not good. So we until now we know what is schizophrenia, how it works, and what are we thinking about that. What is our society thinking about that? That is not actually right. Now I would like to talk about their causes. What are the causes? There are some scientific causes. 3 causes. One of them is genetic factor. What is genetic factor? We all know we got the genes from our parents, from our ancestors. Yes, we all got. So if common genetic factor, common genes and common genes and a rare genes when combined, so there are more chances to affect with schizophrenia to the birth child. This was genetic factor. And let's talk about environmental factor, how it's affect. Suppose if you are being brought up where cannabis use during adolescence, teenagers जो रहते ना, आप किसी ऐसी सोसाइटी में रह रहे हैं जहाँ पे ये यूज़ होता, या चाहे ये रहो या चाहे टोबैको रहो, अगर आप वहाँ पले बढ़े तो आप चांसेस है कि आपको भी वो अफेक्ट करे. दिस इज द मेन कॉज. एंड पुअर न्यूट्रिशन ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी. वो जो लेडीज रहते हैं उनको पुअर न्यूट्रिशन मिलने की वजह से भी ये हो सकता. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मेन टॉपिक. आई टोल्ड यू दैट आई विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाई मेल्स आर ऑफन अफेक्टेड बाय इट. व्हाट इज द मेन रीजन बिहाइंड इट? जस्ट बिकॉज males are more often use tobacco. This is why males are more often used to affect with this disorder. It is very common. We all are understanding. So this is the main reason. Using tobacco, using alcohol, and using different kind of drugs, including cannabis, cocaine, and there are so many. So I would like to complete my speech with some prevention. We learn what is schizophrenia and I give some examples. Of hallucination and some delusions. And now we are learning how to prevent us. We can prevent us definitely. I would like to give, suppose we all know tobacco is spreading all over the world. In fact, it's spread all over the world already. So everybody say it causes only cancer, but if we study, there are hundred of disadvantages and including disorders just because of it. So this is main reason. We have to think about it. We have to think. It is not common. It became like common. It is the very common poisonous, we can say, that spread all over. So what we have to do? We have to, whoever is habituated of it, for them I would like to tell, they can definitely abstain from this. They can definitely get rid of this. जो इसके हैबिचुएटेड हो गए वो लोग भी छोड़ सकते हैं इसको, अगर कोशिश करें तो. कोशिश करने की देरी है. और जो अभी नहीं हुए मगर खा रहे हैं और ये सोच रहे हैं कि हम हैबिचुएटेड नहीं होंगे, तो ये गलत है. कभी भी whenever it will, your time will become that you cannot live until you never eat this. It will happen with you. So please leave tobacco, save your society. You know why? Because there are millions, no, hundreds or thousands of people who committed suicide just because of schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is not normal. It looks like normal, but it is very dangerous. It is very horrible to see these kind of images. It is very horrible. So we have to think, we have to leave these kind of habits. And I would like to tell you that this disease spread in our society, and you can see there are so many people who are suffering with it in your society. Don't think that they possess spirits or they are talking with different kind of spirits. It is not like that. Thank you very much. May Allah protect us. Ameen. Alhamdulillah.